we're good. Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today it is that time of the year where it's actually like decent. We are at a good 60 degrees right now, and we're gonna be starting some trucks today. So we're gonna go from least exciting to probably most exciting. So most exciting probably being the duck truck, the orange truck, and maybe the green 10-wheeler. But everything else here is going to probably start right up. Except for the big blue truck, the black 10-wheeler, and the box truck. Box truck has a fried belt, so I disconnect the batteries. So let's start off here. We'll do the Chevy first, because I already know this thing's gonna start right up. Should start right up. No promises. Oh, it looks like we got antifreeze. It's full of radiator for coolant, whatever. Here's the oil. Down a little bit, but oh well. Then we got the everything else is just kind of not important. So we're gonna start it up here with the hood open. Yet again, this is the Caterpillar motor. Everyone corrected me, and I don't know. So I don't know what kind it is. There's the heart monitor that sounds like flatlined. There's the intake heater. It's in neutral. Man, all these gotta need a good cleaning. And this is the first, let's see, first year. Yeah, these haven't been running in like since, I want to say, November of 2022. So here we go. Right up. I don't know. And are we building air? Yes. Runs pretty good too. What we're gonna do next is raise up the boxes. We'll see how much water's in there. Oh yeah. Got a decent, probably 30 gallons in there. Oh, the PTO been in all winter? Maybe. I forgot how these things work. Is it up or down? Or are we out of fluid? There we go. She's raising up. Let that drain. Yeah. Probably, yeah, tailgate's stuck. Oh, there it goes into high idle. Hey, it just went back down. I don't know. Lower it back down. Alright, so this running for about 5 minutes. Figured I had to turn off the trucks as I go, because, you know, you got to hear the startups. Alright, next is this 85 International. Whatever, we had this truck forever. The odometer rolled over on it like three times. But yet again, these speedometers never read right anyway, so. Oh, of course. There we go. Flimsy fiberglass. Fiber. Huh. Anyway. Oil check's on the other side. Even though I don't see any oil underneath the truck, it's probably always good to check. And it's windy out. Oh yeah, this truck never really burns. I think it's a little over full. No, it's right on full. We're good. This truck had like 9 motors in it. This is actually the motor out of that white bus out back. Yeah, runs good. Say, I don't know. I'd say it runs okay. Man, I haven't been in this truck in a long time. Of course, the seat is like right up with the steering wheel, so, oh, that's nice. We're actually gonna get this truck on the road this year, hopefully. I don't know. Hasn't been on the road since 2020. Yikes. That wasn't happy waking up. You good? Okay. A little bit of throttle. Why does it start up so well? All the time. What the heck? It was right up. Oh yeah. Only a little bit of smoke, we're good. I was not expecting that. For being an old school bus motor. Hasn't been on the road since 20. I don't know. Oh, what the heck. That's gonna amaze me all year now. That's already down. See the water. Oh yeah. Is that a bee? Why are there bees out already? Alright, PTO's spinning. Yeah, we just gotta raise it. This is always fun to watch. This truck, because all the water goes everywhere. Yeah, this truck likes to hold a lot of water. And this tailgate is actually what the heck? Push the clutch in. Disengage the PTO. Now this is back when they made trucks so simple. The kill knob, cut the fuel, and these things, I will tell you, the button ones are horrible. Just had to put that out there. They always break. Why can't people pull a knob these days, huh? I don't know. I know these trucks are gonna be, or at least the blue Fords, you know, that's gas. And these two I already had running to make room for them things, so even though it didn't really matter. But these will start right up. Let's make sure they start right up. I don't know. we go day by day here. These gauges take forever to start going back and forth. Yeah, right out. Let's see. 54,000 miles. We don't put a lot of miles on this. Yeah. This truck's just kind of there. Even though we bought it with like, I don't know. This truck's the truck that likes to go dead all the time. Right out, you know, fuel injected for you. Alright. I know everyone's probably getting impatient now, so, or just skip through the video. Let's see. Green 10-wheeler. Orange truck. Something tells me this is either going to start right up or have a difficult time getting its prime back. I just break the door. What the hell? The cab moved. Huh, that's not good. What collapsed under here? Yikes. Okay, that's as far as I'm gonna get through there. And this truck's been a good truck. Maybe. Okay, that's nice. All over the nice new shifter. That's why there's a bag there. But no. No air, of course. What do we got for fuel, huh? Oh, yeah. Okay, that's annoying. Oh, it was right there, too. Damn. We're good. How much fuel we actually got? That would make sense. Hello? Are you sloshing around in there? There, we're gonna stick a light down in there. This truck always... Oh yeah, it's down there. Yeah, like... We'll be a little generous today. We'll do it like here. Yeah. This truck sucks down fuel like a son of a gun. That's why I don't think it's 2 miles a gallon. Well, may as well get some diesel for it, I guess. I mean, it still picked it up though, so. Yeah, I probably should get some fuel for it. Oh, it's fine. I'm sure it would start right back up. This truck, we gotta get that flat tire fixed first. Let me siphon some out of the box truck. No, I'm kidding. But this one is full. Yeah. I don't know. I'll figure it out after. That's gonna be a good video opener. This truck's gonna be cranky. Alright, that's good. We got like half a tank. Since none of the gauges, have we figured, don't like to read around here. Now this truck here is gonna be cranky. But yet again, it always is. Yeah, this is the old 7.3. This truck also had a motor put in it, I believe. Or rebuilt. Black, but full. I don't know. Something tells me that green truck over there's got a bit of a tank leak. Because that truck had diesel in it when it was parked. Unless someone came and siphoned everything. That's a possibility. It's going to take forever. So yeah, this truck likes to click like that. We really don't know why, but we got to wait for that to stop and cycle it like 5 million times. So I don't think wasting everyone's time with that is going to be very helpful. I wonder why the radio stopped working. It is a dual. Power button. What is this? Okay, that works too. Fuse. Oh yeah. It's just a bunch of wiring. It worked last year, I think. Let's try it. Gotta pump it. Oh, no way. Oh yeah, come on. You burp, build that oil pressure. Oh, we're smoking, that's good. Click, click. Oh God. Let's try it now. Real. Huh. Started right up. We get good oil pressure, that's good. Nice. Wow. This truck also likes to hold a lot of water. That cleared right up. See if she only build brake air. Huh. Alright, lights off. Let's see. We got gears. Reverse. And it rolls right out of its spot without even hitting the gas pedal. That's a good sign. Something tells me I'm gonna have to fix that belt this year. Yeah, it started right up. Wow. Compared to what it usually does, yeah. It started right up. smells actually really good. Had to get it out of the mud hole. Yeah, it's on a stone. Yeah, that green truck, I had diesel do it, I'm sure. Alright, the moment we all been waiting for, the truck that always loses its prime every year. Something tells me it's going to stay right up. Maybe. It also leaks a lot of oil. So, but, oh well. Duck truck, because it's got a duck on it. Whatever the hell that was. Alright, let's see. Belts, decent. Okay. Motor oil. This is an 88 International. We got oil at least. Oh, right at full. Look at how lucky we were this year. Wow. Usually we start it up and we check it. It's got it's down to the ad line or something. Now this one I won't be lifting the box up if it starts because it's going to go right all over the mulch. We got antifreeze at least because this one I'm going to let run for a little while. You in there? Okay, good. Make sure that's on there. I don't want to come off. Now this truck is outfitted with a bunch of very well accessories. Nice hole in the seat. Don't ask me how that got that bad. I don't know. We got the nice speedometer right there. It doesn't read anything. We got the mouse droppings in the open containers. Now this truck's a little weird because you gotta hit the gas a little bit or full bore it. I don't know, forgot. You know, and that lovely fuel gauge that doesn't read. We should probably check the fuel, even though this truck always stays full. Every week this truck gets oh yeah, we're right up to full. Okay, maybe it does read a little accurate. Yeah, it's gonna start right up. You know, as soon as it starts, I'm gonna hold it right at 1,000 RPM maybe. I don't know. For a little bit. I think it needs good cleaning. Beep. A little bit of throttle. Oh. She is not gonna go. We gotta crack the fuel lines, even though it's smoking. Nah, you don't wanna. All you gotta do is push a little primer bulb, I believe. If I can find it. And this truck usually gets started up mid-year when it's a 30-degree day. Only because, so this doesn't happen. But no, it had to be a difficult. You gotta push that primer bulb somewhere. Well, anyway, this truck isn't gonna start today. Unless I could find that, but I usually don't crack the lines, so it's the guy who does it every year. Including with that machine right there. That one obviously is never gonna start. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. He'll be here Monday anyway. It is smoking pretty good though. I think I saw a mouse nest fly out of it. That was funny. I think. Unless, usually they like to build their nest in the air horns. So. But we got a couple this year. Ones that want to run and the other ones that don't. So that green truck The duck truck. Surprisingly, the orange truck started. I wasn't expecting that. We got the, well, 24. That should definitely start. 159 and 302, which we actually have a bottom step on it, and it's functional. So it's actually all our next step is really we got to build the sides for it, and then make the sides and this piece, and then I think we're going to skin out a new piece for the top step, only because of that and that and that and that. But I don't know, I think we might just grind these flat and then just put a piece over this, so like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to throw step treads over it anyway. But, I wouldn't jump on it yet, at least, because we got to make the sides for it. But it worked out pretty good. And now it sits right here next to all of its twins. It's actually funny because when 302 was in service a while back, like a long time ago, that actually sat next to 24 in the line, like every night. It was weird. And, these two buses here have been kind of reunited, I'd say. I don't know. It's alright. This bus, I've never had a bus that just holds up their air ride for a month. I don't understand what they did, but somehow it holds for a month. I don't know. It's alright though. I gotta work on that and getting that truck running. So yeah. I just don't know anymore. And hopefully once I get that running, I'll do a video on it. This tire I gotta put back on the bead or rim or whatever. Is that a battery? Oh, it smells like mice in here. The heck was that? Anyway. Alright. Wait for our next video, I'd say. Don't know which one it is though yet. This one I'm assuming is gonna be dead. Yeah. Like it is every year. Anyway, I'm gonna end out this video here, and we'll see you guys on the next one.